How's everybody doing today? In this janky video today, we're going to show you how to apply tire shine. That's right. It sounds retarded, but it's really not. There's a couple ways to do it, right? So if you're like me, I'm a retard, so you can tell me how to do it, but I need you to show me how to do it to comprehend it. So the tire shine I use, I spray on and wipe it down with a little brush. Now, this particular tire shine, you can also just spray on there and leave it. I prefer wiping it down or whatever, but I think people get pretty similar results just by spraying it on too. But as you can see, I just got done polishing that wheel, so to kind of spruce it up, we need to get the rubber looking right. So go shineon.com, baby. That's where I get all the stuff at. But it's real simple. I know most people are probably throwing stuff at their TVs and their phones right now, but believe it or not, there might be somebody out there who don't know how to do it. So there's a lot of stuff on the market that says it works and it really doesn't. This stuff, for me, in a tractor, and I'm sure it's pretty much similar on a car, pickup truck, whatever, boat, trailer, whatever you got going on, even a quad, but it goes on real easy as long as the wheel's clean, obviously. You want to clean the wheel. And then if you get done washing or if you're degreasing it, whatever you're doing, then when it's clean, spray it down like you saw. Put a little bit on your little brush or leave it on there and just let it do its thing. And then when you get done, like I did here, you just take a nice glass towel and it's a inside joke and boom, wipe it down off the wheel and you're good to go. So it's a real simple process. It's no big deal. I'm not spending all that money to other places, but hey, thanks for watching, man.